Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about how can we set pin password in vivo phone. Guys, you want to set guys pin password in your vivo phone, so guys you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set pin password in vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, time to start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting and guys click on the security setting. Guys click on screen lock and guys draw your pattern which you have and guys click on this pin. So guys, the number password must contain at least 4 digits. So guys, we will take this 1470, next 1470, and guys be careful here guys, don't do any mistake. And guys, now let's see. So you can see guys, now we have this pin password in our vivo phone. So 1470, and guys you can see this is the right. So I hope friends you have understood how to set pin password in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.